About this item perfect for kids adults. This LCD digital microscope makes children full of interest and curiosity in science, and allows adults to better observe coin microscope for error coins. Make it more convenient to observe the micro world. 4.3-inch LCD screen featuring 720p high-resolution 12MP camera technology and precise focus. Elikliv digital microscope supports display amazing images and videos, which is convenient for easy and accurate observation and soldering. Continuous 50x 1000x magnification allow to zoom in and see the incredible details of observations at a magnification range from 50x to 1000x. The actual magnification differs due to the screen size, the distance between camera and observations. 2 extra LED fill the 8 adjustable LED illuminator ensure your specimens are clear and bright, with 2 extra auxiliary lights provide more excellent detail and optimal clarity and allow to capture pictures or video in some dark places. Photos and videos. Elikliv video microscope is not only a microscope, but also a camera, which can take pictures and record videos. You can save the images and videos obtained during the observation process to the micro card and output. Maximum support 32 GB micro card included. Hook up to PC for larger view. The PC view supports Windows so you can observe on a larger scale and facilitate data sharing and analysis. No extra software download is needed, just run the default apps. Windows Camera for Windows 10 solid metal stand and base made of aluminum alloy base, stand and bracket. This LCD microscope can provide long-term use, and allows doing micro soldering or repairing printed circuit board. Widely used. Great gift. The digital microscope is very suitable for circuit board inspection, coins, jewelry, and stamps, watch/clock repair, skin detect, kids education inspection, textile industrial, biological observation, not suitable for cells, QC inspection, scientific researchers. In the description to get this